Hello children, today start the class for 3rd standard maths. I hope you everyone understand the concept for addition. Shall I move now new topic? I give some example. Children, I give the example for you. This one for pencil packet. Then this one sketch pen. So, I give this example to do the sum now. Next one new topic. You go and buy the stationery shop. These two things. First one for pencil. This one cost rupees. Here showed you 70 rupees. Look here, 70 rupees. The next one, sketch packet. This one price amount for sketch packet is 80 rupees. So you want to buy these two things. One is pencil. This pencil packet is 70 rupees. So this sketch pen is 80 rupees. So both things you want to buy now. So what you do? You say the shopkeeper, I want two things. So shopkeeper, do the sum for addition. This two price amount noted now. First one for pencil for 70 rupees. Then sketch pen for 80 rupees. So first do for addition. How much money you to pay to the shopkeeper? So 70 plus 80. Last topic, previous topic, you do the addition. Yes, same method. 70 plus 80 equal to 150 rupees. So now shopkeeper told the amount 150 rupees total amount you pay. Then you get the things. Then what you do? You have the money and pay it and get the two things. Now do for Apsara pencil cost for 70 rupees. Sketch pen packet for 80 rupees. So total amount is 150. So these two things you buy now. You pay the amount 150 rupees. So you having the money for 200. You give to the shopkeeper for 200 rupees. Then shopkeeper, what do you do now? Yes, 200 rupees you pay, but bill amount for 150 only. But this one compared to this, you pay the amount is bigger. 200 is a bigger, but you buy the things for 150 rupees only. What you do now? Yes, you get the balance. So that balance amount here you find out the method using for subtraction. This one symbol is subtraction. So 200 rupees you paid first. Shopkeeper take out the amount for 150. Then how much to give it to you? That find out the amount is difference. That one symbol using for minus. This one is saying here difference. Difference. So how to get this money? Balance 50 rupees. You get the balance is 50 rupees. Bill amount is 150. You pay the amount is 200. Then you get the balance for 50 rupees. So this one is saying here difference. Here using the symbol for minus. So this method is saying here subtraction. This one method is saying here subtraction. You understand the concept, children? Shall I move now in your book exercise? In your book exercise, subtraction. First Roman letter, recall this. Already you studied for second standard 2-digit number. You learned the tables for subtraction table. Subtraction symbol is minus. You find out the any two number, do the sum. Take it from first number bigger number to second number is smaller number. That is the concept for subtraction. Addition is no way to do the addition. Any number given to you for directly added and get the sum. But subtraction, you take the number as first number for bigger number, second number for smaller number. That is possible to do the subtraction. Otherwise not possible to do the sum. Okay. First number is a bigger number, second number is the smaller number, only possible way. Then you studied for this last year. Now you recall now once again. First one is horizontal subtraction. First sum A. First number is 45. Second number is 35. Do the symbol for subtraction minus. So you take it now. First one ones place. 5. Here 5. This two number is same. 5. Then 5. Subtraction is take away. This one method is saying here take away. But do the addition for add together, joining that. But here, take away. You are having 5 chocolate, but you give it to 5 chocolate for your friends. Then how much chocolate you are having now? No chocolate. Why means you are having the chocolate is 5. You are having the friends also 5. You give it to each one. So, totally your balance is 0. Okay, that concept here apply now. 5 minus 5, 0. Then first number 4, second number is 3. So first number is 4 is bigger compared to second number. So 4 subtract 3. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Say before counting. Subtraction do always before counting. So you say now before counting 4 before 3, 2, 1. So answer is tens place for 1, 1, 0, 10. The next one sum, second sum 87, second one number 69. So compare to 87 to 69. 87 is a bigger number, 69 is the smaller number. So easy to do the subtract now. So first number ones place for 7, here ones place for 9, but tens place you compare bigger. But here ones place is smaller number. 7 subtract 9 is not possible. So do for carry over. So 87, 69. So first you do for borrowing. Ones place number is smaller number compared to second number. So you do for borrow. Borrow, so here tens place having 8. So give it to ones place. So this one tens place one number given to you ones place. You get for 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Then tens place is one number given to ones place. So here reduce the number. 8 before number is 7. Then you keep it with your mind for 17. Subtract for 9. 17 in the mind, 9 in the finger. Say before counting 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. The next one, tens place, 7, 6. So 7 is the bigger number, 6 is the smaller number. So 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. So say before counting 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you get the answer is 18. 1, 8, 18. The next one sum 49, 38. So compare here ones place. First number is 9, second number is 8. So subtract now 9 subtract 8. So 8 is the before number for 9. So you get the number is easy to find out. 8 after number is 9. So 1. 1's place is 1. Or otherwise you do 9 in the mind, 8 in the finger. Count it 9 before number. Whenever you do the subtraction before counting, so 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1 is the answer. The next one, 4 subtract 3. Then you again get it, the number is 1. So 11 is the answer. The next one, sum 99 subtract 55. So 9 subtract 5. So first number is a bigger number, second number is a smaller number. So 9 subtract 5. So 9 in the mind, 5 in the finger. Say before counting 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Then again same number you do for 9 subtract 5. You get the answer is same, 44. So 44 is the answer. 99 subtract 55. Get it the answer for 44. This sum you learn the topic for horizontal method to do the subtraction. This is the horizontal subtraction. Horizontal way of method to do the sum for subtraction. So first number is 63. Second number is 17. So compared to second number, first number is bigger. So this is the correct way to do the subtraction. Then 3 subtract 7 is not possible. So compared to the first number, not bigger. So this one for subtraction, borrowing. Subtraction is borrowing. So you give for tens place to ones place. So ones place you move this one tens. Added for 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. 6 before number 5. 6 before number 5. Now 13 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. The next one, number is 5 subtract 1. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So 5 before number 4, 46. So subtraction, do the symbol for minus. So you get the answer 63 minus 17 equal to difference for 46. This one sum is the last sum for vertical subtraction. 0 subtract 9 is not possible. So here borrow for tens place. So tens place give it to here ones place. So 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 7 before number 6. 7 before number 6. Then 10 subtract 9. 10 in the mind, 9 in the finger. Say now subtraction before counting. 10 before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here 1. This one number for second number is not there. So write the number straightly 6. So 70 subtract 9. You get the difference for 61. So this is the subtraction. Subtraction is always using in your life. Whenever you go to buy the shop, buy any things or toys, or you have to eat your food item, take the biscuit, snacks or food item for dosa, idli. How many dosa you taken? How many dosa is left in your plate? That one you use it to every day in your life, day to day life, using the subtraction. To subtract the following numbers. Here using for hundreds place. 3-digit number. Here using for third standard. You learn for 3-digit number. Already you learned the concept for subtraction using the symbol for minus. So first number is 540 compared to second number. So first number is a bigger, second number is a smaller for 353. So easy to do the subtraction. This is possible. So do the subtraction before counting. You very well to learn. Then do the sum is correctly. Otherwise not possible to do that correct. Okay. Children, everyone learn for before counting and subtraction tables. That's only help you to do the sum correct way. Here 0 is the first number compared to second number. 3 is bigger, 0 is smaller. Then what you do? Do the sum now, subtraction. So borrow for the tens place. So tens place having the number 4. So give it to ones place. So 10 is given here. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Then 10 is the bigger to 3. So now do the sum. Before your tens place change the number. Here given to ones place. So this one is 4 subtract 1. So 4 before number 3. 4 before number is 3. So 10 subtract 3. First ones place. 10 subtract 3. 10 in the mind. 3 in the finger. Say now 10 before 9, 8, 7. So number is 7. The next one, tens place. Tens place, don't take this one number. Here only cut it and write the number only. You take it out and do the sum. So 3. 3 subtract 5 is not possible. So 3 is a smaller compared to second number. Then again you do for borrowing here. This one hundreds place. So hundreds place 5 number here move to this. So here added for 10. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Here 5 is changed down. 5 before number 4. 5 before number is 4. Then 13 is bigger to compare the 5. Now 13 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 13 before number 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. The next one, hundreds place. Compare here 4 subtract 3 is possible. So 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Say now 4 before 3, 2, 1. So answer is 187. So compare to 540, subtract for 353. So you difference find out now. 187. Answer is 187. Then second sum you move now. Yes. 765, 438. So compare to here, first number is bigger. Only you check for hundreds place. Don't compare to tens or ones. So first you check for 700 or 400. 700 is a bigger. So easy to do the sum for subtraction. So using the symbol for minus. So first you start the place for ones place. 5 compared to 8 is 5 is smaller, 8 is bigger, but you do for now borrowing for tens place. Here given to 10, 10 is moved for ones place, 10 plus 5, 15. Number is 5. Tens place changed for before number. Then 15 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 15 before number 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Next one, tens place, 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So 5 before 4, 3, 2. So you write the number is 2. Then next one, 7 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 7 before 6, 5, 4, 3. 1. See Sam. 5 subtract 6 is not possible. So you move for tens place is 0. So you now do for hundreds place only borrowing. So hundreds place borrow to tens place. So this one 10. Hundreds place 8 is changed now 7. Then here to move for ones place. So this one for 9. Tens place for 9. Then ones place for 15. 1, 5, 15. 805. 5 compared to 6. 5 is smaller. Then tens place is 0 only. Then you move for hundreds place only borrowing here. So 8 is borrowing for tens place first 10. So here to borrow for ones place, then only you get for 15. Here changed for tens place is 9. Then hundreds place is 7. This one concept very important. You understand this one, then easy to do the same method. Then 15 in the mind, 6 in the finger. Say the before counting. 15 before number 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So 9. Then tens place for 9. 9 subtract 4. 9 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5. Then next one number hundreds place. 7 subtract 2. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. Before 7, 6, 5. So you write 5. So answer is 559. You understand the concept, children? Thank you.